Okay, go ahead.
Morning, Mitzi. So you can see we got all the chrome on the upper, the doors, cab corner. All we need is the wheel trim. We already knew that. The other side's complete too. Same thing, just the wheel trim, door handle, brand new door locks. Found a few marker lights that are in better shape color-wise. New window molding, new weather stripping. This is my problem right now. We got the regulators. That glass is hooked to a regulator, but it does not fit in the channel with the vent window. This one I can show you without the regulator, because I thought maybe regulator, but as far as I know, 73 to 79 are all interchangeable. So somehow, I'm not sure if we had the wrong glass sent, because this one without a regulator on it and in the vent window will do the same thing as that window, where it won't fit between the two. So these glass must not be for these doors. So I'm just wondering if there's something in the shed that looks like double glass. Anyway, thanks. You have a good day.
What about the interior?
The interior's in it. You just gotta put the kick plates in it. Windshield rubbers we gotta find for the doors. And there is some paint work on the inside. I'm not sure if that was thought of part of the quote, but it would be up here. I did the dash. I didn't do the bottom half. Doors are done. It's just the inside cab that we didn't quite discuss on that. So just let me know what you want to do in the meantime. Thanks, Mitzi.